Today we'll study about the patent by the Robert Larson. Basically, for neem, the 1971 US timber importer named Robert Larson has visited India and he had shown the interest in neem. So he took away the seeds of neem and he had conducted various studies and tests. So 3 years later, he sold that inventory to US Department of Agriculture and multinational chemical corporation, to WR Grace organization company, right? Now in 1992, what happened? The WR Grace and Co secured the right for formulating this emulsion seed to make the powerful fungicides. But in India, it is already being known that it has property of fungicide, and Indian farmer already know this. So Indian and a member of Green Party in European has opposed this patent, as they believe that the right is can be not good for the Indian farmer for developing country, because it mainly depends on the farmers for the developing country to grow generally, right? Because majority of the populations are farmers, so it will be harmful for this Indian farmers. So Indian and European has been come to support each other for this patent, and for this the supported documents shown are in ancient literature, and the European patent officer has accepted this, and Indian argued Indian and Indian agriculture and reject this order of US patent. So basically EPO ने ये जो इंडिया का जो डॉक्यूमेंट है वो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, एंड इस पेटेंट जो WR ग्रेस जो पेटेंट है जो इस कंपनी ने WC ग्रेस ने की थी, इसको वापस ले लिया. बट इन सबको करने में 4 साल लग गए.